Good morning. It's like 4:30 in the morning. Flossed my teeth. Stayed up all night. Cause I'm a man. I'm a man. I'm a man, so I stay up when I want to stay up. And I use pink floss. I'm a real man, and I don't know why they're up. Why y'all up? Brooklyn?
Okay, you waked us up.
I never woke anybody up except myself, even though I didn't fall asleep. So, hopefully, I can stay up all day, fall asleep early tomorrow.
No, you can, yes, go to sleep today.
I don't want to go to sleep today because I'll wake up too late. Gonna have a fun day, aren't we?
Yeah.
Gonna go to Smithsonian and stuff.
Yeah.
And, yeah.
Sissy.
So, a different Smithsonian this time, not the natural history. Probably the air and space. Probably. So, yeah, and it's really early and I'm really not tired, so.
And tell him to leave us alone.
It's not gonna happen. Just eating ice cream at 4 o'clock in the morning, 4:30 in the morning, and I didn't even fall asleep. I just got through brushing my teeth. That means I'm a man. Deja vu. I fell asleep and woke up now I fell asleep around 7 and it's 8:30 now. I just woke up. We're here today at, what's it called again?
Washington Monument.
Oh yeah, the Washington Monument. And look, I didn't know it was this big, but it's pretty big. So, yeah. Say hi.
Hi, we're lucky we're here.
We almost died. She hit a curve after I told her not to. It's pretty. Washington Monument. Now we're at the World War II.
Whoa, is that the pool? That's the pool.
Something? I forgot. I forgot what it's called. The World War II Memorial.
Looks just like a pool.
Alright, now we're going to the Lincoln Memorial. There's the Washington Monument. And there's Brooklyn and Alyssa. Say hi.
Hi.
So, one step down. 1,000 more to go. There's Abraham Lincoln. And the Washington Monument way in the distance. The Washington Monument.
Excuse us, you gotta wait till she moves.
Alright, there's the one. There's the Washington Monument in the background. Other side of the White House.
I got it.
Oh, good.
Yeah, it's pretty beautiful. That's just one house, imagine. It's raining really, really hard right now. And look, I can't even sit down because my ground is flooded, so. That's like half a foot deep. We're at one of the museums and there's a McDonald's here. So, yeah, and it's super cool. Alright, so I went to the Smithsonian Air and Space Museum, but I didn't vlog because it was raining really hard and my phone was all wet, my hands were wet, and I was really cold, and so, yeah, my phone wouldn't even work because it was all wet on the screen, and my hands were wet, and yeah, so I didn't vlog there, sorry, but, yeah, but right now, I'm about to take a nap, and